Hello, welcome to the May feature highlight, which is rack rate depletion. How this feature works is the cameras monitor zones such as dumbbells and kettlebell areas to get an idea of what 100% looks like, and as that equipment gets used, it gets depleted. So here you can see that you can cycle between areas. A lot of them look the same because this is dummy data. And then you can go in there and you can configure rules for each area or all, right? Say just the dumbbells, if it drops below 50% for longer than 5 minutes, which is 300 seconds, you create a rule, that rule being alert staff, etc., or go clean the area. And so, what is the value of this? Aside from effective and efficient operational control, it's the assurance of being able to create a consistent member experience. Cleanliness and general club organization is a huge thing for gym members, and now you have data that can help regulate and control that.